Good morning to all. I would like to say something about Mother Teresa's golden words. All the people are same. All are hungry for love. Being unwanted is the worst disease of love. You cannot give to the outside what you do not have on the inside. Compassion and love have to grow from within. Let us interview our lives with bonds of sacrifice and love, and it will be possible for us to conquer the world. What matters is the gift of yourself, the degree of love you put into each one of your actions. I think the world today is upside down. It is suffering so much because there is so little love in the home and in family life. We have no time for our children. We have no time for each other. Do what you do best, but do it for the love of God, not for fame or riches, and you will begin helping the whole world. It is the intensity of love we put into our gesture that makes it something beautiful for God. Let us not use bombs and guns to overcome the world. Let us use love and compassion. People misunderstand us. They take us for what we are not. Tell them we do it for Jesus. If I forgive, then I can be holy and can pray. All this comes from a humble heart, and if we have this, we will know to love God, to love self, and to love neighbor. We are sent to bring God's love, to prove God loves the world, that God loves the poor. By loving until it hurts, we become capable of loving more deeply, more beautifully, more wholly. I want to go and find the poor in your own homes. Above all, your love has to begin there. A missionary of charity is the carrier of God's love. It is a wonderful thing that God Himself loves me tenderly. That is why we should have courage, joy, the conviction that nothing can separate us from the love of Christ. We must love those who are nearest to us in our own family. From there, love spreads toward whoever may need us. We all should become carriers of God's love. But to do this, we must deepen our life of love and prayer and sacrifice. I do not want you to perform miracles with unkindness. Rather, I prefer you to make mistakes in kindness. Loving must be as normal to us as living and breathing day after day until our death. There are times when I feel absolutely empty, an empty shell, a thing without consistence, with nothing in me to support me. I feel so lonely and miserable. We don't need to look for happiness. If we have love for others, we will be given it. It is the gift of God. God loves us. Let us love Him in return in loving the poor. Thank you.